Meanwhile, President Biden doubling down on orders from an antiviral pill produced by Pfizer. That pill, recently authorized by the FDA to prevent serious illness and death from COVID-19. Our D.C. correspondent Bofta Yimam joins us now live. And Bofta, good morning to you first and foremost. How many and how long before we actually see these pills, though?
Right. Timelines are always the question here. What we know right now, Mike, is that there's an order of 20 million doses, with 10 million expected to be delivered by June. President Biden stressing that this is the largest order in the world. But in the meantime, this is not really easing fears of so many folks, so many Americans who are seeing those flight cancellations over the holidays, those school disruptions you and Sharon just talked about, loved ones sick, out of work for a bit as a result. But Biden focused on what they've, I should say, been doing the last 2 weeks, putting up those federal testing sites. We've really seen them in New York, and the fact that they are adding more. So he mentioned that waiting lines should shorten for the testing that so many people are looking to get their hands on. And what about schools? He pointed at schools. Here's what he had to say to them.
We provided the states with $130 billion, with a B, $billion to specifically keep our students safe and schools open. Funding for ventilation systems in the schools, social distancing in classrooms, even larger classrooms, on buses and everything from bus drivers to buses, the actual bus. There are additional, in all this process, we also back then included an additional $10 billion for testing for schools. That money went out to the states, and the states and the school districts have spent this money well, many of them, but unfortunately, some haven't. So I encourage the states and school districts to use the funding that you still have to protect your children and keep the schools open.
And now we are expecting another press briefing by the COVID-19 response team of the White House and also federal health officials to speak today at 11 a.m. We'll keep everyone posted on what comes out of that. Mike.
Yeah, once again, it's kind of hard to keep up with everything that's going on from the WHO, from the CDC, from the president's mouth, the administration, everything. But last month, the federal government said it was going to start mailing out those at-home COVID tests in January for free to any household. And it's going to be on January 5th. From my watch, it says January 5th. So when can I expect mine?
Right, right. That's the question. And I mentioned timelines at the top here, Mike, and we're joking a little bit about it, but the reality is that it's pretty serious that we can't get our hands on tests. So many folks, depending on which state you live in, which neighborhood, what store is open for you, what accessibility you might have. And so this promise of testing was huge over the holidays. They did say it would roll out this month. What we know right now is that there is no word on when the first tests will be released to Americans. And that was through the press secretary, Jen Psaki, saying no word yet on when the first test could be rolling out. The first awards have not been handed out yet. We know that companies, go through the bidding process with the government. So it's already January 5th, as you mentioned, and the awards haven't been given out. So it could be weeks or months before it is widely available. They might start doing like a slow drip. But at this point in time, there's also no system fully operating right now. They are still developing the system for where you, me, others could go in and order, on a website, these tests that could be delivered to our homes. So right now, it looks like it's a bit of a major reversal from the White House administration, who said that, beginning in January, it would be rolling out. But so much right now is unknown as to how we're going to get our hands on it, unfortunately.
One thing that has been consistent about this administration, Bofta, is that they have been terrible when it's come to deadlines. I'll just say it that way. And you know what I'm talking about. A lot of deadlines, they do not.
Self-imposed, I might add. Self-imposed deadlines.
Nobody's telling you, hey, we want it done by this date. You're saying, hey, it's going to be done by this date, and it hasn't happened. Bofta Yimam live for us, live right now in Washington, D.C. We appreciate it. We'll check back in with you a little bit later on.